Hello friends, welcome to my channel DGR24. So today we are going to see a portrait from a reference picture which is itself in a black and white color. So I started with the face. As always, I divided this picture into multiple layers: the face layer, the beard layer, the hands, the top turban, the shirt which this man is wearing. And after dividing of all these layers, I started first layer with the face layer. I identified the light effect on the face. The right side is where much brighter than the left side. So first I try to paint it with the brighter color and then the darker color which matches to the actual picture. To justify the beard, I added grey color to the area, then spotted out the darker spot, and then with the help of line brush, I added the texture on the beard to give it a realistic look. Now it's time to pay attention on the hand, whereas there are lots of muscles. To justify the muscles, I used white shade and then I used darker shade to give them a thickness and a realistic look. Same treatment to the neck area. Similarly, I tried to justify the turban area with brighter shades and darker shades. Now it's time to do touch up and painting on the background area. A perfect background enhances overall appearance of the portrait and set the right mood. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.